Want to standardize how your reports look and function across all your projects? With DFR, you can easily manage your default project settings at the account level, ensuring consistency and saving time every time a new project is created. Here's how to do it. From the left-hand navigation menu, click on Project Settings. This takes you to a central configuration screen where you can adjust a wide range of project parameters. You can customize weather data settings. Choose how often weather data is collected. Select default reporting times for tracking job site weather throughout the day. Set your preferred measurement units for temperature, distance, and other values, either imperial or metric. Photo tags. Define a list of default media tags that will be available across all projects and help ensure consistent tagging of photos, videos, and documents. Report sections. Decide which sections should appear by default in your daily field reports. Labor, equipment, activities, notes, media, safety, and more. You can even rename section labels to match your terminology. Work log details. Set up default fields for employee work logs, like labor classifications and required notes. Choose whether to enable features like time rounding and submission acknowledgements. Define default job types or labor classifications that can be reused across multiple projects. By setting these defaults once at the account level, you save time when creating new projects and ensure consistency, accuracy, and professionalism across your entire team. Customizing your project defaults couldn't be any easier. DFR. Streamlined, affordable, and built for the way you work.